Good morning, folks. This is the first check. This is the next day now that I'd snared yesterday with 10 set. I got one up here now. Let's go check this one. And we have no luck this morning, not yet. Trees are soaking. It's number one down. Let's go the road over there and check a few more. No luck. Let's carry on over here. Guys, I want to give a shout out to Kirk North 51. He's doing a giveaway. A couple of tinder pouches. So I'll leave his link down below. He's yeah, go check the guy out. Awesome dude. It's soaked there this morning. I've got rubber clothes. A lot of dew. No luck. I got one more. There. Not many rabbits on the go. I just seen the one yesterday, but oh Lord, did I? Hey guys, so I gotta take care of him. Snare set up again. The best sport ever. Yeah. There he is. Nice young buck. So yeah, guys. This one for the pot. We'll leave this out for another night now, see can we get another one. And we're on the way to check. This is the fourth snare. We got 6 more to go. And I'll check back with you later. No luck with this one. This is me what now 8-1. Go around there, check another one. There we go. Just setting a few snares on the edge of the bogs there. And I see I got one. This. Oops, a lot of them. It's last night. I come through yesterday evening there. Yeah. Now, anyway, guys, I'm going to turn it off for a second there now, and I think the snare's over here. Where it is. Looks like no luck. Oh. No luck. Down there. Guys, I gotta go across this bog to another one. I got one now overnight, so that's pretty good. I said I only want a couple for fry up net. Yeah, so I got one there, and I'll end up frying that one up there later on now. Check back with you later. Back in there, folks. Yeah, it's a new rabbit. I'm gonna clean you up there now. I won't be showing you that. I just need all the fur off and then take the guts off, and then I'm gonna quarter it up and put that marinate for a few hours, and I don't know if we're cooking today or cooking tomorrow. So I'm getting cut up there now and get down to marinate. Get back to you shortly. Here we go, folks. 2 hind legs, heart. Cut out the back straps off the ribs. Nice hind leg there, the backbone, kidneys, and the front legs there. Should be great to cook up tomorrow. Can't do it today because it's running out of time. We got a funeral to go to after dinner now, and it's getting close to 11:30 now. So yeah, so what we'll do now is I'm going to marinate this here for overnight, roasted garlic peppers and oyster sauce, and then we'll do a cook up tomorrow. Hey guys, I'll see you shortly. Well folks, I got the rabbit there bagged up. Deboned the back ribs, back hind leg, sorry, and we're going to marinate that. We'll throw a bit of oyster sauce in it first, give it a good coating of that, and I'm just going to make sure that it gets around there with poking holes in the bags from the front legs. And then we're going to give it a bit of this stuff. I don't know what that is. Give this stuff, onions and herbs and stuff like that. So we're going to give it a little sprinkle of that in it, and a little bit of garlic and herbs. So give it a sprinkle of that. I'm just going to turn it over and just go around a bit like that. Get it all coaxed in, get the goodness into it. Yeah, so now we're going to let that sit overnight, and tomorrow we'll be cooking dinner. Rabbit for dinner. Alright guys, that's it for this part now, and we'll see you in the morning. Good day folks, how's everybody doing? As you see, we got the rabbit. Now it's time to cooking. I never had rabbit now in, I guess, in a couple of years now. I usually always have a few meals with the moose and that, but I don't know, never got around to last year having any at all. So yeah, we're gonna have a cook up now at the cabin. Cast iron. Get the butter root there now. Frying pan's warming up there. Oh yeah, oh yes, give that down another couple of minutes, and yeah, throw in the rabbit. While that's melting there now, frying up, I'm going to cut a piece of onion, and we'll get back to you very shortly. There we go guys, you hear that? Get the heart in there. Oh yeah, frying pan full of heart. Moose, rabbit, all of it. You got the heart there somewhere. Oh yeah, I deboned the hind legs. That's the ribs. Yes. Let's take the onions now and smear over top of that, and cool that down a bit because it was in the fridge all night. We'll take the cover and throw on this like that, and we'll be eating in an hour. So I'll talk to you in a little while. Oh yeah, she's doing great there guys on the wood stove. Oh, yeah, it's almost ready, I think. Another 10 or 15 minutes probably. Yeah, and then we'll get down to having dinner. Check back with you later. Hello folks, I'm gonna call that done. Yeah, it looks good to me. The wife don't really like rabbits, so she got leftover ribs. So yeah, so we'll get back to the plate there now in a second. Oh yeah, try a front leg there if I ever getting up. A piece of hind leg there. Get out the heart and a bit of onion, tenderloin, another piece, a few onions, yeah, that should do now for now. So I'll grab the phone off me missus there now and take it to the table. As you can see, we got salads. We had leftover barbecue yesterday evening. Ribs. Wife's gonna have ribs for dinner. And let's try it. Oh yeah, nice and tender. Take that. Oh. You missing out.
I want to have a bit, bite.
That taste is awesome. Oh my goodness gracious. Well guys, that's it for this video. As I done yesterday, we set the snares. Day before yesterday. Yesterday now we got the rabbit, cleaned it up, and today we cooked it. I marinated in oyster sauce and garlic and herbs and this onion spice. Really put taste on it. Thanks for coming along. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a like down below. And we'll see you on the next one.